Welcome to Hardaway High School, home of the Hawks, and a cornerstone of the Muskogee County School District since 1965. For decades, we have proudly served the Columbus community, building a legacy of excellence in academics, athletics, and the arts. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted with a reminder of what makes our school truly unique: our status as an authorized International Baccalaureate World School. This distinction is at the core of our identity and our approach to learning. At the heart of Hardaway is the IB philosophy, which aims to develop inquiring, knowledgeable, and caring young people who help to create a better and more peaceful world. We offer 3 distinct IB programs to guide students on their path to success. Our 9th and 10th graders are all part of the IB Middle Years Program, or MYP. This framework encourages students to make practical connections between their studies and the real world, preparing them to be critical and reflective thinkers. We believe in supporting every student on their journey. Our dedicated school counseling office provides comprehensive guidance in academic planning, career exploration, and personal well-being, ensuring every student has the resources they need to thrive. The hub of inquiry and collaboration is our modern media center. It's more than a place for books. It's a dynamic space where students conduct research, work on group projects, and utilize technology to deepen their understanding of the world. Our commitment to international mindedness is even reflected in our Gail Edwards Cafe. The flags hanging from the ceiling represent the diverse world we live in, reminding our students daily of their role as global citizens. As students advance through their high school careers, they can choose the path that best fits their goals. Step into our classrooms and you'll see learning in action. Unleashing creativity in our art room, which is equipped with pottery throwing wheels and a kiln, in addition to other traditional mediums like paints and canvases. Students have the chance to learn skills in various CDAE courses, such as marketing, which has its own print shop operation for printing posters, t-shirts, and more, and clubs like FBLA and DECA. Our passionate, highly qualified teachers foster an atmosphere of inquiry and support, pushing students to ask challenging questions and find their own answers. Here you'll see a showcase of some of our teachers' spaces to provide learning opportunities to your student, from English to foreign language to social studies, and one of our science classrooms. But a Hardaway education is about more than just rigorous academics. It's about building character and fostering pride. Our hallways tell the story of generations of Hawks who have excelled in every arena, from academic competitions and fine arts showcases to state championships. This is a place where achievement is celebrated and hard work is honored. Developing well-rounded individuals means offering robust programs outside the core classroom. Our auditorium is home to award-winning theatrical productions, musical performances, and community assemblies. In the Rob Peacock Weight Room and throughout our athletic facilities, our student-athletes learn the values of discipline, perseverance, and teamwork. We believe that a strong body complements a strong mind. Hardaway is also proud to offer unique programs like our GHSA-sanctioned rifle team, which has its own dedicated state-of-the-art indoor range, providing a safe and professional environment for our students to excel. And of course, the gymnasium is where Hawk spirit comes alive, hosting thrilling games and celebrating the collective energy of our student body. Our gym is the home of the Lady Hawks basketball team, which took home a Region 2A state championship title last year. Our expansive campus provides the space for every student to find their passion. From the baseball dugout to its track and practice field for soccer and football, Hardaway provides countless opportunities to get involved, build friendships, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Hardaway High School is more than a building. It's a community built on a foundation of history, a commitment to global education through the International Baccalaureate program, and a spirit of pride in everything we do. We are dedicated to preparing students not just for college and careers, but for a life of meaningful contribution. The rigorous IB Diploma Program, DP, is a world-renowned, academically challenging curriculum that prepares juniors and seniors for success at university and beyond. Alternatively, the IB Career-Related Program, CP, is a revolutionary approach that combines academic IB courses with a career and technical education, perfect for students who want to blend academic knowledge with practical, real-world skills.